This video started out as just an excursion into a ritual that I enjoy once a week, and it turned into really a focus on showing you that you have a true beauty and that you can connect to your true nature by stepping out into nature. I find gardening a component of self-care. I didn't always like it though. My mother was quite the gardener and I never really had a green thumb. But lately I've been really working at it because I find gardening to be relaxing and grounding. I find that plants and women are very similar in that we need to have a positive environment, and sometimes we have to dig around and unearth our truth to get to that positive place. I wanted to share a little bit of what I do about once a week to reconnect to myself and also to reconnect to nature. So I'm going to show you a little bit of a beauty routine and also take you on a hike. If flowers can look beautiful because of water, so can you. Water helps to increase blood flow to the skin, which also helps to release toxins. In addition, drinking water first thing in the morning can alleviate symptoms of depression or anxiety. Sometimes I have my water plain, sometimes I add a slice of cucumber or lemon, but before I have my breakfast, I will always have a little snack before I take a hike, and I usually start with a date that is rolled in coconut flakes. It's so delicious. I have the recipe for this below. As the steam of my aromatherapy diffuser helps to prepare my skin for my face mask, I'm able to also set an intention for the day. I really appreciate Annmarie Skincare Charcoal Cacao Mask Wand because it prevents contamination and cross-contamination, which is so important right now. Now, before I apply the mask, first I touch my face a couple of times with clean hands so that I stimulate the oxytocin response. Information on that is below. Then I put a little bit of the mask on my fingertips and I warm my fingertips up, and then I gently dot the mask around my face before I start really applying it. This is a lovely mask if you have sensitive skin, if you have aging skin, or even premature aging skin. So there are 3 ingredients in it, and I will put all of the information below, but there's 3 ingredients that are really a triple threat against premature aging. Now you're going to perhaps notice that I'm using effleurage, which is more of a light fluttery movement as I'm applying the mask. This is to increase oxytocin, and increased oxytocin helps to improve your immune system. It helps you to have more self-trust. It improves blood flow to the skin, and also it just helps all of the hormones to work in unison to increase positivity. Be sure to check below because a lot of you know already that I'm a psychodermatologist as well as a psychotherapist. So I have not only the physical benefits, but also the emotional benefits to some of the ingredients that are in this product. Okay, so while the mask is drying, we'll just take a quick walk and just enjoy nature and reconnect without scaring anyone. Part of that positive environment that a garden needs and that we need is just stepping out into nature where it is wild and beautiful and gorgeous, and to lift our eyes to the sky and to stretch and to just take in that beautiful fresh air. I think it's very healing. Let's take off the face mask. This is where I get my last hurrah at oxytocin boosting massage and exfoliation. You deserve to look in the mirror and love your reflection. You deserve to have natural, cruelty-free products that you use, and to know that you are connected to nature, that we are all interconnected, and that when you step outside and you look up into the sky and you look at the trees and you look at the shrubs and the grass and the flowers, that you are so connected to all of this beauty. And we deserve to be in a positive environment that helps us to see our truth and to be a part of the truth that is not only inspirational to others, but to ourselves. Your thoughts are like seeds, and it's up to you to cultivate a garden for yourself that can grow inspirational and positive thoughts, so that when you look in the mirror, you love your reflection. You deserve to feel wild and beautiful and free. This video was inspired by Annmarie Skincare Charcoal Cacao Mask.